Welcome back, everyone. I'm in the stage where everything is going to start taking shape, and right now the trusses are going up, which is a huge, huge milestone in the building process. Plus, the interior framing is being installed at the same time. This is where the rooms are going to be more defined, like my bedrooms, bathrooms, and my kitchen, and like everything is like coming together, and I can actually walk in the space and feel the flow of the house. And at this point, every wall opening and connections must be framed correctly to support the plumbing, electrical, HVAC, drywall, and everything that comes next. And another reason why I love this stage is like how it can move so fast, and it really helps out the building time frame, and it is one of the most important parts of the entire build. So if you've been following along, this is where the project shifts from installing the block wall to the actual full form. while the framing was going on, I went ahead and ordered the doors so they'd be ready to install as soon as the phase was complete. I was working with a budget, of course, so I kept the choices very simple and practical. And I love my French doors. And for the back door, I chose a full glass option to bring in more natural light and open the space to the backyard. And I cannot wait to paint them. They will not be your typical colors, but it's going to look really different, like me. And planning these details early really helps keep the project moving without delays and makes the next stages a lot smoother once framing wraps up. And these are the windows that I bought, and I purchased them almost like a year ago from a company I used to work for, which is Greyhawk Remodeling. And I did get another quote from a different company for the same black exterior and white interior, and the quote came in at $80,000, which was honestly just like crazy. I couldn't believe it. So Greyhawk's quote came back with a super great price, and I was able to buy them outright, which was a huge goal of mine. I don't like to be in debt. I do not like doing payments on certain things. So, and I did forget to mention that they are category 5 windows, which that was a big deal for me. And I absolutely love these windows. I love the black exterior look and especially the white interior because it gives me way more flexibility with the wall colors and design choices inside the house. So I can't wait for you guys to see them once they are installed. This is the floor plan the framers are using with all the details laid out for each room. I really love how open the space is, especially the great room connected directly to the kitchen. It makes the house feel bigger and more connected instead of chopped up. And of course, my master bathroom, which was crucial for me, having the separate shower, tub, and honestly, like my favorite part of the entire house. I also love the laundry slash utility area because that's where the HVAC, the water heater, and the internet are going to live in. It keeps all that out of the living space, which makes the house feel cleaner and more organized. Seeing the plan framed out really makes everything feel really real. So you guys, this is like honestly really impressive on how fast this phase went and how clean everything looks. And right now, this is my favorite stage of the build because of the interior framing is up and I can actually like walk through the house and fill each room. And we're about 95% done on the interior framing at this point. And I scheduled the sheathing inspection. And next up is installing the windows and doors. And once those are in, the carpenters can come back and fully finish their work by installing the buck boards correctly for the drywall. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.